Hi, good morning. We'll talk about what does energetic anthropology teach us. First of all, we see how the ego passes through all nature, from one animal to another. It teaches us that everything is evolution, and especially in mankind. Darwin taught us the evolution of bodies. The energetic anthropology teaches you the evolution of the ego, of the self. First, it happens in nature, in animals, and then in human beings. This evolution means a growth, an increase of potential, an increase of frequencies. A primitive man who barely surpasses a superior animal like an elephant or a lion is not the same as a civilized man. Actually, internally it is the same, but it has much less potential. Now this knowledge opens our mind and it allows us to act with greater freedom. Overcoming our limited knowledge gives us a lot of joy. Thank you very much.